Take me down.
Before I cut myself.
Yeah, that's a good knife.
So I see some food in front of us.
Yeah.
See the oatmeals and stuff.
Some oatmeal, that's what we're making.
So we're back. This is my camera. It's this one, right? Okay. Yo, I came back from break and forgot where all my camera angles are. So, what are we doing with the...
So, with this oatmeal, we're kind of going to make an overnight oats, but it's going to speed up a little bit, right?
Okay.
So what we're going to do, we're just going to take it to go because I don't know about you, but I'm a very busy person. So
Yeah.
I don't have time to be cooking all the time. So some things I got to prepare and take it to go. So what we're going to do, we're just going to put this oatmeal in our cup. You can have this one. I put milk in here. Use whatever milk you want. I only use soy milk because I like how thick it is, but also I'm lactose intolerant.
Oh, me too,
So-
lactose intolerant.
Yes. So that's not going to sit well with me.
Soy milk. So what is this? Like,
Soy milk, you can use almond, you
is
can
this
use
milk
oat.
introducing itself in Spanish?
Yes. Soy leche.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, be careful because you don't want it to spill it all over your nice tux right
Come
here.
on, I know that I'm strong.
You got no games.
I have no gains. Listen, I haven't been to the gym since everybody's New Year's resolution.
Let me
Oh
see.
my
No, because then you're gonna make me feel bad.
Game, yo.
Wait, I'll be right back. Ábrete! Open! Ah!
The
We're
struggle.
back.
Ahí, okay. Bueno.
Okay,
So,
I'm not. Oh my God.
no te gusta.
It smells so earthy. But okay, let's do it for the weight loss. Come on. Come
All
on.
right. So this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna pour some in here because the oats. What it's gonna do is just gonna soak all that liquid up.
Does it matter how much oats?
It depends on what you want, right? I think I put less, maybe half a cup. But if you want a cup, go for it. You have about more than a cup. Ponme un poquito aquí. So you don't have to put so much oats. Okay, I think that's good. Yeah.
Oh, this is thick like coquito.
It's thick. Yeah, that's why I like it.
It's thick like.
I feel like unpopular. I don't really like almond milk because of that. Or like, oh,
Is it
it's
too
mad
thick?
watery. Yeah, no, it's
I
watery.
love almond milk.
You love almond
Yeah.
milk? Great. If you like it, I love the taste of it. Pero
Yeah. I've had oat milk. I just wasn't a fan of oat milk.
No.
I'm not a fan of oat
it
milk.
doesn't. Mm-mm.
I'm just saying, all these things don't produce milk, so why are we calling it milk?
That's true.
Okay, so I just.
Pour as much as you want. If you want it chunky, pour a little bit more than the liquid.
I'm Dominican. I
Pero
like
si te
I like my
gusta-
oatmeal chunky.
Chunky, yeah.
And
Some
with
people don't like it
chocolate.
chunky. You can mix all this, put it in a blender.
Okay, is
even.
that much?
Ponle mano.
I don't want to make a mess.
Okay. Wait, stop. Okay. Mix it and then go as you want. Put more if you want.
Okay, let me see.
Yes. And as the oats
Oh,
soak up
yes.
the liquid, it's gonna get thicker. So you can decide later if you want
Just
more.
like when I soak up food, I get thicker.
Yes.
That's sad.
Perfect. So you got your base down now.
I think I need more.
You need more? Add more, yeah. And then you can use the quick oats too. That'll be faster.
Okay.
Now we can share some milk, right?
Okay.
You're not allergic to peanut butter.
No, I'm not a
Okay.
nerd. Okay.
So we're gonna add some cinnamon. You can add whatever spice you want though. I like a lot of cinnamon, so if you don't like a lot of cinnamon, that's okay too. You can add nutmeg.
Can you
Just
add
add some
vanilla to
flavor.
it?
Yeah,
Vanilla?
add vanilla.
vanilla?
You can add. I thought about bringing that.
Can you add tequila in it?
Some rum.
I say why not?
Some whiskey.
Okay. So
That'll
you
be
mix this- Okay.
interesting.
Oh, I added too much. I'm about to be like Glozell with the
The cinnamon challenge.
the cinnamon challenge. Yeah,
Oh my
look, I added way too much.
God. Let me
Where's the
see.
camera? I want to show the camera.
No, that's a
I'm
lot.
gonna
Yeah.
show this one. Yo, look how much cinnamon I added. Y'all see that? Look how dark it is. Oh my God.
Oh my
Okay.
God.
What's the banana and apples for?
Now these are fruits, right? Now if you have oatmeal alone, it's gonna taste blah, right? You wanna add flavor on this. So I got honey, I got apples, bananas, but if you wanna add any other fruit, go for it. What we're gonna do, we're gonna grab our knife. It's very sharp, it's a nice knife. Little knife tip.
I see that.
Cutting with a sharp knife is safer than a
You're
dull
playing
knife.
too much with that knife.
We're gonna chop our apples and I'll let you do the bananas. How's
Okay.
that? All right. So I'm gonna face it down because it's safer, if you don't have chopping skills. if you don't really like the texture of these, chop it
That's a nice cut.
in small pieces, yes. But I like my apples chunky, so.
Okay.
Do you want the other half or do you want a little bit?
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit? Go ahead. Just take them, yeah.
Can I just chop it in?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, just a little bit. And
Just
then
a
the
little bit.
banana, same thing, right? We just
Yeah,
wanna cut
chop it in half so we split it.
it? Oh, we
Think
split
it
it.
out.
We don't peel it first?
You could peel it,
All
but
right, I'm gonna take this time to teach you how to properly open a banana. Cause I'm tired of y'all not knowing how to open a banana and struggling to open a banana. Now, I learned this from a monkey. Yup, you heard that right. I learned this from a monkey because they open their bananas with their feet. So you gotta press the tip. A lot of people like opening it from
Pause.
here.
that's how I
Super
do
pause.
it.
A lot of people open it from here. That you see, that's my work now. You turn it around like that, and the tip, pause. You press the tip. You see like that, and then you just peel it.
Oh, that's
See how
easy.
simple that is?
Yeah, that is
Wow.
Yeah, that's how you open a banana. I'm tired of seeing y'all struggle to open a banana. This is why the apes are gonna take over.
I don't like eating that little thing at the end tampoco, so
then
that
you just-
works. And you slice it. There we go. Yeah, slice it off.
I don't want to.
Ahí mismo.
He's a
Oh
chef
my
boy.
God.
Chef boy.
You chopping like a toddler over here.
Listen, because I'm shopping for other people. Because if it was for myself, this would have been perfect. I don't want to touch the banana that I'm
There
not
we
gonna eat.
There we go.
You know, I'm Dominican. I know how to chop a plátano. Okay, so we take the banana.
We take the banana, we just put it in there.
Okay.
There we go. Yeah. We got some of these if you need. Mix it again. Because now we're going to add our nuts and our
Pause.
Pause.
and our peanut butter.
Okay.
So if you like crunch, like I do, I like getting my peanut
Oh,
butter
this
with nuts in there.
Smells amazing so far.
It is. With the peanut butter, it's going to... You could toast the walnuts too, and it changes the flavor. But this is fresh. You could chop it up in smaller pieces, but I don't care. Again, this is supposed to be fast and on the go, so...
And you do this the night before, right?
You could do it the night before, or I'll prepare this in the morning, and then I'll just start eating it when I get to work.
Ah, so
Because it's already technically done
okay.
by then.
So we got the crunch.
Yeah.
And then we got the Jiffy.
The peanut butter. You can use your spoon. I'm going to wipe it off real quick so we
We
don't
got
get
the
milk in there.
Jiffy.
Yeah. There we go. Do you like the way yours is looking?
I do. It smells amazing.
It is. Peanut butter's got some nice protein. We got some grains in here. This is
Add a
going to
little
keep
bit
you
more 'cause I like
full.
the protein. You heard?
What's the measurements for this? Or you just measure with your heart?
Measure with
Oh.
your heart.
Measure with your
'cause
heart.
Porque te
I
diga
just-
el corazón.
I'm hearing my ancestor. Un ching ching ma.
Yeah. I don't really like following the serving sizes here. Same
Oh,
thing with the...
that's my problem. That's how I ended up.
At the end of the day, it's great. It's peanut butter. Eat your peanut butter.
Yeah,
It's
but
got
then
protein.
what about the skin? Because I heard peanut butter be messing up your skin.
Your skin.
Yeah.
It messes up your skin?
Yeah, you be getting the acne.
Acne? No.
Yeah.
I mean, if it causes acne for some people, then definitely stay away from it. But that's not everybody, you know?
Okay, so am I done?
Yeah, you're done. You're not adding honey, right?
No, I'm allergic, y'all. If y'all didn't know that.
Ooh. I'm adding just a little bit, even though I don't think it really needs it. But give it,
Oh,
you know what?
Because mine got no sugar.
The sugar's from the fruit,
Oh,
right? It's from the peanut butter too.
you're one of those.
If you, yes, I'm promote that. I'm just gonna shake it up a little bit more.
Chicken like a Polaroid, chicken like a
This is a little
Polaroid.
warm-up.
Hey, 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 hey.
There we
hey,
go.
Hey, 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 hey. Okay, are we done now?
Yeah, we're done.
Wait, mine. I think mine needs a little bit more. Still not.
It needs a little bit more.
Yeah.
We're not gonna eat this right now though. You could try it. Let's try it, but those oats gotta soak.
Okay.
But let's try it to see what you think about it. I'm interested.
Oh, this smells so good, y'all.
It's like cereal.
She's one of. You're one. Oh wait, before I taste this, because this is something. This is not what gets my temps for the day. This is something that gets me tight. I hate when bougie, fancy, nutrition people want to be like that. Something tastes like something. No.
You're right. You're right.
You are not turning a carrot into
You're
fried
right.
chicken. No, that does not taste. You hear
Or
that crunch?
bacon.
Just like fried chicken. No, you know what tastes like fried chicken? fried chicken. That is a damn crispy carrot. I hate that.
It's true. You're right.
Look at these chicken nuggets, but they're made out of mushrooms. Those are mushroom
Or cauliflower.
nuggets. Oh, that's the worst. When I was vegetarian, I went to a gala one time. You see, I'm just let me. So this could actually cook a little bit while I'm going on my little nutrition rant. I went to a gala, and the only thing they had for me was risotto and a cauliflower steak.
Cauliflower steak?
I said, "What's a cauliflower steak?" They want to come bring me some burnt ass cauliflower, talking about it tastes just like a steak. Nah.
Did it?
No, it did not. It tasted like a dead cauliflower.
Yeah, no, that does not sound satisfying.
Like,
see, you don't need to healthify certain foods. You really don't.
I get
right?
a cauliflower pizza.
Yeah.
But
I never
come on
tried
now.
it, but yeah.
Okay, let's taste this.
Let's taste this.
Oh my God, I need
Catarro.
some rompepecho. I'm gonna add some rompepecho to this. Oh, this is mine is a little thick.
Yeah, it tastes like avena. Okay, you're forming your opinions about it.
Yeah.
Yep. Remember,
Mine is missing something though.
what is it missing?
Honey,
Sugar.
sugar. Let's be honest.
It's not bad.